And the last method of marking is using what's called a striking guide. Simply what it is a right angle piece of metal with a sharp edge running down the center. What you do with this is sometimes mounted on a wall. I just have it mounted on a bench for convenience. Just put the board in so that you're fitting up snugly against the sides. Give it a solid whack. In the case of rectangular, on all four sides, and then you'll have your center mark where it goes. When you're dealing with round objects or odd size objects, works the same way. You bring it in, except here, turn it a number of times. In this case, you have a number of different lines, and what you go is pick one in roughly the center and mark it, and that's roughly where the center is going to be.